Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with a grocery haul as well as a little bit of freebie shopping over at Kroger. And actually this is from JCPenney and Bath and Body Works. I just thought I'd throw it in, kind of let you know how you can always be on the lookout for coupons like that. So yeah, you will be seeing this on Wednesday, I believe. So same day, today's Wednesday. I went over to Kroger and did this awesomeness today. If you haven't already, go check out my other couponing deals video because there are some other really good deals going on. Not as many as we were used to seeing, honestly. We were getting a lot more, but you know what? We'll just roll with it. So, yeah, but there are some good deals. So don't be discouraged since there's not a big mega event or 5x digital going on, because there still are some pretty good deals to be had. So, yeah, let's just dive right in. First up, JCPenney. I had a 10 off 10 coupons of these socks for their women's socks or whatever. $10, $10 off coupon, so 10 pairs of socks for free, and it came with these free hair ties, so nice for my mom. And then this lotion thing was just free. I had a free coupon, so awesome at the mall. I also got a free Annie Ann's pretzel for doing the pretzel perks thing, and it really doesn't take long to earn points at all on that. So I would definitely recommend getting that because it's really good. So I got a free pretzel at Annie Ann's. So we're just going to go left to right. Vitamin water was on a sale. 3 for $10. So $3.34, $3.33. Good deal. Not the best, but you know what? Right now I'm trying to stay away from artificial sweeteners except for stevia. I don't think that's artificial sweetener. So trying to just lay off of that for a while. Zevia, $4.49. Again, that's bad, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And then my mom really liked the Virgil's root beer. She can't ever have aspartame. I don't know if she can do Splenda or not, but there's some hop that for some reason she just can't drink. So she said this has been really good for her and it hasn't caused her any health problems. So that's what we got. She really likes that. That was $5.99. The water was $3.34. The eggs were on a good deal for 89 cents. And then these YQs. These are $1.34. I had a free digital coupon on my card, cousin's card, and my grandma's card. And then I will get 30 cents from Saving Stars. That's a good 30-cent moneymaker. Great. My dad wanted this coffee for $5. So you got to get them what they want. And then this was the problem today. The Marie Callender's Chicken Bowl and the Healthy Choice. I got one of these and 5 of the Healthy Choice steamers. It says in the ad, $188 when you buy 6. Well, it did not come off. No idea why. My cashier, I don't know, she in the end did it. We had to get a CSM, or I don't know. I don't know if they're called CSMs. I think they're called floor supervisors at Kroger. I don't know. Customer service person. I had to walk them back and show them that the tag was legit. It said that these were included. So they just price modified them. But for the Healthy Choice, I had a digital coupon for $1.20 off of 2. Best customer bonus. I had 80 cents off of 2. And then I had $1 off of this Marie Callender bowl. So it ends up making that really good. This was 88 cents and these were really good deal. Really good deal in the end. I don't know the exact math. But that was a good deal for the frozen meals. Better than what I usually pay. Then I got Kroger chicken strips. Again, my dad really likes those. We got these Kroger vegetables for soups and stuff. They were $1. The cheese was $1.99. Laura's beef was on sale for $6.99. And the Lay's kettle cooked chips, they're $1.99 when you buy 3. And then I had a coupon to when you bought 2, you got 1 free. So that was a really great deal there. The Nestle. Okay, this is the best deal of the day. They're running this deal. If you buy 3, you get $2 Catalina. Buy 4, get a $2.50 Catalina. Or buy 5, get a $3. So I did all these in the same transaction. I bought 6 of the Nestle. I used $2 off 3 coupons. I don't have the insert, but in my coupon deals video, I did give you the insert. So that was great. And then I got the Catalina back, so that made these a really good price. But then the Hershey's, the Reese's, the Almond Joys, and Mounds, $1.99. All these candies are $1.99 for every 4 you buy. So these were also $1.99, and I used $1 off 2 coupon. Again, don't know the insert, so these were $1.49. The Catalina is only on the Nestle. And then the M&M's, 3 Musketeers, Twix was out, which is like my favorite. But they didn't have any Twix. Kroger is awful about keeping stuff in stock. But I got $2 off of 3 coupons for those. So really good on the candy. And I'm not done on the candy deal either. I'm definitely going to be getting more of this. We're not just crazy candy hoarders, even though we will keep some for ourselves, but I need it for our church. Does a big trunk or treat thing every year, and they attract a lot of people at that. So we need a lot of candy for there, and then my grandparents need some for their church, and we will keep some for us, obviously, as well. And usually my dad's work needs candy donations for something they do every year. So I will definitely be going back and probably get 16 more bags. Because this is just, I know many of you are getting it at CVS. I know a lot of you like doing it at CVS. But I just don't do CVS. And they limit you. And this is just you walk in and you pay it. And that's what I love so much about just Kroger deals. I also got some Cons chips. They were $2.99 for an 8-pack. That's kind of the guilty pleasure, but I wanted those. So retail value for all this was $161.19. Net price was $87.76 for a percentage saved of 46%. So I don't think that's bad at all. So yeah, be sure to check out my Kroger couponing deals video if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching.